Hello, young minds. You're welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we shall discuss how to reflect an image in the x-axis. We have these 3 points: A, 1, 1, point B, 5, 1, and point C, 3, 4. We have learned how to plot these points in our previous video. And so I'll go straight forward and plot the points. Point A, 1, 1. 1 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. They will meet here. Point B, 5, 1. 5 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis. They will meet here. And point C, 3, 4. 3 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. They will meet here. We'll join the 3 points to form an image. This is the image formed. We are now coming to reflect this image in the x-axis. Since we learned that this horizontal line is the x-axis, and then this vertical line is the y-axis, we are then coming to use the x-axis. So if you are coming to reflect in the x-axis, it also means that we are using the x-axis as a mirror line. And it also means that reflection in the line y is equal to 0. What it means is that if you are using the x-axis as a mirror line, and we put a mirror here, the image will reflect in the mirror. So if you're using the x-axis as a mirror line, this image will have to reflect through the mirror line, that is the x-axis. How do we reflect this image triangle in the x-axis? Now, as I said earlier on, that we can use the x-axis as a mirror line. We all know that when you come closer to the mirror, your image is also closer to the mirror. When you go backwards, your image also go backwards, telling you that the distance between the mirror and you is the same distance between the mirror and your image. If that is the case, then we can say that this point, using this line as a mirror line, this point is closer by 1 step, that is 2 centimeters. And they're using 1 unit. So if 2 centimeters here, then that means it will also move from here 2 centimeters to its image. If this point is away by how many units? So we count from here 2 centimeters, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that means we are going to also count 4 downwards to get its image. If here is only 1 step to the mirror line, then we also count 1 step to get its image. So now let's plot. Point A, we move 1 step, 2 centimeters to 1 unit. So we move 1 step once to the mirror line. Then that means we move once to its image. Therefore, the image point of A will be A1, 1, -1. Always remember that we plot using the x-axis first and then the y-axis. So 1, -1. Now let's plot point B. Point B will move once to the mirror line. So its image, we have to move once. We are going to get a point here. Then point B1 to be x-axis 5, and then the y-axis -1. So 5, -1. Now let us go to point C. Point C, when I stand on point C, we move how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the mirror line to, we move 4 steps downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get the image of point C. To be C1, 3 on the x-axis, -4 on the y-axis. So 3, -4. Then we'll join the 3 points to form the image. So this will be the image formed of this triangle ABC reflecting in the x-axis. Thank you very much for paying attention. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll answer you. Tell a friend to subscribe. Be with us. You are going to learn a lot of things. Until then, bye.